Hello everyone, welcome to a brand new unboxing video. Today we will be doing an unboxing and testing of the EoxSmile CR1009. It's like the CR1009 Pro but without a screen. And I got another hand crank radio because why not? This one actually goes off with a screen, without a screen. For some reason, which is very cool. Instead of a knife, I'm going to try to use these scissors. Very sharp. To see how well it goes. And yeah, let's get started. It's gonna go on this side. Okay, the scissors strong. Oh yes. Oh, I got it through. Now the other side. Ignore the iron bot. Oh wait, I have to cut it where the blades are going through. Okay. Okay, have to be very careful. Oh my god, this thing is sharp as a knife too. Holy crap. There we go. Now this side. Damn, this scissor is strong. Okay, put that to the side. Let's go ahead and open it. I got it in the color green because why not? It looks cool. Let's take this out, and here it is, the weather radio. I got it in green because I like the color. See guys, I'm gonna go ahead and take a picture of this, but first I have to take out the plastic that's on this box. It's like the CR1009 but without a screen. So we're just gonna take this plastic out. I'm gonna use a scissor again. And that should be good. Okay, let's get this out. Alright, okay, let's go. Here it is, the box. Now I'm gonna take a picture, get the scissor out of the way. Put it here. Okay, I took a picture. So it says all hazards, NOAA weather alert, emergency alert radio with AM, FM shortwave, NOAA weather, solar crank, and okay, let me go. Hold just a minute. Okay, there we go. It's doing something. So yeah, solar crank CR1009. 10 bands, AM, FM shortwave, and 7 pre-programmed national weather bands. NOAA Weather Alert sends an emergency wireless signal to the radio for local weather disasters. Zoom in. LED flashlight and 7 LED reading lamp. SOS emergency light. SOS emergency alert up to 130 decibels and red LED beacon light. Self-powered hand crank charging system. Adjustable solar panel captures energy from the sun or natural light. Built-in USB port allows you to charge external devices such as cell phone, iPhone, or MP3. 6 power sources. Built-in lithium-ion battery, rechargeable batteries, solar power, hand crank, micro USB 3 AAA batteries not included, or AC adapter not included. Include braid, belt, hand, carry strap, and carabiner. Built-in dynamic wide range speaker for crystal clear sound. Here's the back. Advanced NOAA weather radio technology keeps your outdoors activity safe. Solar and crank weather alert multiband radio with cell phone, iPod, and MP3 iPhone, and MP3 iPod charger. And yeah, excuse me for a second. Now we're gonna open the box. Okay, here's a charger, micro USB. Very nice. Here's this, which you can put for the when you need it for an emergency. Okay, I accidentally stopped the recording, and now let's go back. So it's an EoxSmile CR1009 emergency alert radio with AM short, FM shortwave, NOAA weather, solar crank. CR1009 meets the National Weather Service evaluation criteria for NWR hazards local use. Yeah. So this is the manual. Please see manual. And here's the radio. Here it is. Whoa, so cool. And a big feature about this radio. Oh, it smells so good. Damn, it smells so good. This radio is so cool. And one feature about this radio is that it has a compass. But the CR1009 Pro doesn't have, which is okay. Okay, so here's the reading lamp. Here's a flashlight. Very bright. Wait, why is it doing this? Like, why is it doing this? It's just putting lines. Here's your chargers. Yep. I'm gonna close it up. Okay. Here's the battery compartment where you could put three AAA batteries. In case if you want to. Here's the hand crank. The red LED will light up because it's charging. Nice. And this thing is kind of smaller than I expected it to be. Here's the SOS. Very loud. It's cool. This is cool. Look. And that's how it sounds like when it goes off. Pretty cool. Nice. And now we're going to turn it on. The volume switch.
There was a freshness from my pits to my... Ooh, I love that it's a spray. Me too. And it comes in sticks.
Oh, wait. I forgot. We have to press all the switch buttons to see if it's working good in luck. Here's the tuning. The switch. AAA, lithium ion. And the weather band switches. Right here. Ooh, they feel so soft. And this one. Nice. No, turn it on again.
Take podcast what happened. Smashed into his Naples, Florida home.
Here we go.
NASA later confirmed it was trash from the International Space Station. Bloomberg's Bruce Einhorn says space junk startups believe this is their time.
We're seeing devices getting sent up into space and people starting to say, well, can this...
Nice. Arms that grab or surround the...
I like it how it sounds
so
like
it's
the
more
SOS.
likely to burn up during re-entry than smash through someone's roof. Bloomberg Money Watch at
Very
26 and
nice.
56
Super
past
cool.
every hour. I'm Tracy Jonke for 1010 Wins on 92.3 FM.
Now we're gonna
Cashback is not available.
switch it to AM. That's copyrighted.
Your Senate
Put the
counterpart,
antenna
Democrat
up.
leader Chuck Schumer,
Let's see if we can get
was
KDK.
stonewalling, but it appears that this is now moving forward.
Gas in your car anyway. Why not get
The other
side? I'm saving the...
Do you feel like you're losing control of your finances? If you
I don't
will,
think so.
it's really important.
Let's go back to FM.
I'm saving the cash upside to help later this year.
Download the free Upside app now to earn cash back every time you...
Let's go to shortwave. Very nice. Excuse me, that's copyrighted.
Mara here, immigration
There you
attorney.
go.
My firm,
Nah.
Mara...
You got a radio?
Receive free to 4 feet.
It works well.
Tuesday, east winds 5 to
Nice.
15 knots. Seas 3 to 4 feet.
KCZ 31. We're picking up KCZ 31. Nice. I like this radio. Super cool. I like it how it comes with the compass.
Thursday night, south winds 10 to 15 knots, becoming 10 to 20 knots. Seas 4 to 6 feet.
Volume's very
The
good.
offshore waters forecast for Hudson Canyon to Baltimore Canyon
I
out
like
to
this.
1,000. West 10 to 15 knots.
Nice.
Seas 2 feet or less, becoming 3
It has
to 4
this
feet.
at the bottom.
Sunday, west to southwest winds 10 to 15 knots. Seas 3 to
Nice.
chance of showers. Slight chance of thunderstorms. Monday, west to
Wait,
south,
let me get
winds
something
5
real
to 15
quick.
knots,
Let me get the
becoming
other
south 5 to 10 knots.
EoxSmile.
Seas 3 to 4 feet. Chance of rain. Monday night, east to southeast winds less than 10 knots, becoming east to northeast. Seas 3 to 4 feet. Tuesday, east to northeast winds 5 to 15 knots. Seas 3 to 5
Okay, I
feet.
got my other
Tuesday
EoxSmile.
night, east winds 10 to 15 knots.
Let's
Diminishing
compare-
to 5 to 10 knots.
Let's go ahead and compare both of these. I see a big difference. I see a big difference between these two. So this is the SOS sound is. Very nice. And then this one. This one's very loud. I like it. I like it so much. Okay, let's go ahead and compare the size. It appears to be the same, I think. I think it's the same size. All right. So I think both of these are the same size. I think so. I wish the. Oh my god. Dude, I see a big difference between these two. So here's the Pro, and then the regular, and then if we put them on the top, I can already tell a big difference. As you can see, they're both the same size. This one's not even that small. It's the same size as the other one at the bottom. Wait, let me do the alert, the SOS on both of them. Very nice. Okay, let's do a SOS comparison siren. Nice. And then this one. Have to cover it. Very loud, and I actually like it. Okay, I think they're both the same size. Both of them are the same size, obviously, because this one's not even that small. It's just the same size. Let's go ahead and compare the back. Ooh, I can see a slight change difference. I can see a slight change. Oh, okay. So, the bottom of this radio, the green one, has the screw on the bottom, while this one does not, for some reason. Let's do a flashlight test on both of these. Ooh, they're really bright. Both of them are the same. If we click the same thing, this one is flashing for some reason. Oh my god. It's doing the same thing. Nice. Now this one. Bro, why is it doing those lines? Dude, this is cool. I like it how it does that. Maybe I'm pointing it directly on it. Now the reading lamp. Bitches. Doing the same thing. Okay. Now, this one. Oh, shit, the phone. Don't want it to. Okay, this one's blinking. Nice. Let's do an audio test on both of these. No, wait. I want to see which one turns on faster. Okay.
70s. Winds southwest around 10 miles per hour, becoming south in the afternoon.
Okay, that one turns on faster.
Tides, East Rockaway inland, low at 10:37 a.m. High at 5:07 p.m.
Nice.
Sunrise 5:26 a.m. Sunset 8:20 p.m. For Monday, rip current risk low.
Cool.
Surf heights.
Information for more than 500 million Ticketmaster customers. Company now confirms it was the victim of a data breach. Its parent company, Live Nation, in an SEC filing, said the breach occurred May 20th, and it's working to mitigate its risk to users and the company, and are cooperating with law enforcement. It's still not clear how many people had their personal information exposed. Brian Clark, ABC News.
So what do Thomas Edison, Albert Einstein, Bon Jovi, and Springsteen
Albert
all have in
Einstein,
common?
he's
Well,
already
all are
dead.
inductees of the New Jersey Hall of Fame.
By the way, I can tell that SOS button is red instead of green, which is cool. And yeah, it has the lithium-ion battery right there. Oh my god, dude. I like this radio. Okay, the hand crank goes good. Let me go ahead and insert some AAA batteries. Okay. Now I go get some Okay, I got some AAAs. 3 AAA batteries. 3 AAAs. Okay. Okay, alright. Put the AAAs. Okay. I'm very good. Switch the switch.
Avoid this threat.
Whoa! Do you see this, guys? What the Sigma? It just did that! Well, what the heck? Look what's happening.
Check.
What the heck? It's just shutting off. That's weird. It's just doing something weird. What the heck? Maybe the AAA batteries are already dead, I think.
Around 5 miles per hour after midnight.
Let me do it again. Oh. Look at the flashlight. Wait, what about the reading lamp? Reading lamp does nothing. Wait. Let me do it again. Look, when I press the SOS, look. Yes, because the batteries are dead.
Night, mostly cloudy. A chance of showers after.
Okay, I guess I'll take these out.
Lows in the upper 60s. Southwest winds 5 to 10 miles per hour. Chance of rain 30%.
Pop them out.
Okay, partly. A chance of
Oh, wait,
showers
it's the other way.
in the morning. Highs in the lower 80s. South winds around 5 miles per hour. Becoming east in the afternoon.
Okay.
Rain 30%. Monday night. Partly
Let me
cloudy.
see the manual.
A slight chance of showers in the evening. Lows in the lower 60s.
Okay.
East winds 5 to 10 miles per hour. Chance of rain 20%. Tuesday, mostly sunny.
Let's see the manual.
Highs in the upper 70s. Here is the extended forecast. Tuesday night, mostly cloudy.
Okay.
Lows in the lower 60s.
Pretty good manual.
Mostly cloudy in the morning. Then
I highly recommend this radio,
highs in the mid 70s. Wednesday
Here's
night,
the stand.
mostly cloudy.
which I'm gonna put on because I like it.
Lows in the mid 60s. Chance of rain 40%.
If it's the same thing on this,
Mostly cloudy. A chance of showers in the morning. Then showers likely in the afternoon.
see guys,
Highs in the mid 70s.
same thing.
Chance of rain 60%.
Okay,
Thursday
let's
night.
get this one
Showers
out.
likely. Lows in the
And now let's go ahead and see if I can charge this radio with the other
Cloudy
CR1009.
with a 40% chance of showers. Highs in the upper 70s.
I'm gonna charge this one
Partly cloudy with a 40% chance
with
of
the
showers.
other EoxSmile
Lows in the mid
CR1009.
60s. Saturday.
CR1009
mostly sunny.
Pro.
Highs in the
See
upper
if it
70s.
works.
The coastal waters forecast from Sandy Hook, New Jersey to Fire Island.
Whoa! Excuse me. It does charge it. Yo. I'm actually charging a literal water radio out from the radio. No, that's crazy. I'm actually charging this radio with that one. That's crazy. Now I'm gonna unplug it
Becoming south.
so I don't waste the battery.
Seas around 2 feet.
Now I'm gonna
Wave detail. Southwest
charge this one
1 foot at 8
with the
seconds.
CR1009.
Sunday night, southwest winds 10 to 15 knots. Seas 2 to 3 feet. Wave detail. South repeated 4 seconds.
Come on.
Southeast 1 foot at 8 seconds. Chance
Me
of
too.
showers after midnight.
Yeah, I'm actually charging it.
South in the afternoon. South 2 feet at 5 seconds in east wind.
No freaking way, this thing actually works. Oh, it stopped charging because it's on full battery.
Including
The
rarely
CR1009 Pro.
for tonight. West wind 5
Dude,
to 10
I
knots.
don't know.
Waves 1 foot or less. For Sunday,
I did not know
southwest
that.
winds 5 to 10 knots. Becoming south in the afternoon.
Okay.
Waves 1 foot or less. For Sunday night, southwest winds 5 to 10 knots. Waves 1 foot or less. Slight chance of showers in the evening, then chance of showers after midnight. And for Monday, southwest
Okay.
winds around 5 knots, becoming southeast in the afternoon.
Very
1
nice.
foot or less. Chance of showers, mainly in the morning. The marine forecast for western Long
Super
Island
cool.
Sound.
I highly recommend this radio. I need to get this other. I need to get my AAAs.
For Sunday, southwest
Put them back.
winds around 5 knots, becoming south in the afternoon. Seas 1 foot or less. For Sunday night, south winds 5 to 10 knots, becoming southwest after midnight. Seas 1 foot or less. Slight chance of showers after midnight. And for Monday, southwest winds around 5 knots, becoming east around 5
Okay.
knots in the afternoon. Seas 1 foot or less. Slight chance of showers
Let
in
me
the
put
morning.
my other
The marine
radio
forecast for the Long Island South
back.
Shore base.
Get the
For
box
tonight,
out.
southwest winds 10 to 15 knots with gusts up to 20 knots, diminishing to 5 to 10 knots late this evening and overnight. Waves 1 foot or less. For Sunday, southwest winds 5 to 10 knots. Waves 1 foot or less. For Sunday night, southwest winds 5 to 10 knots. Waves 1 foot or less. Slight chance of showers after midnight. And for Monday, southwest winds around 5 knots, becoming south in the afternoon. Waves 1 foot or less. Slight chance of showers in the morning. Here is the tide information.
Okay, I'm back.
Sandy Hook, high tide is at 4:34 a.m. Sunday
Alright.
and 5:12 p.m. Sunday. Low tide is at 10:52 p.m. Saturday and 11:02
So
p.m.
let's do a
Sunday.
base comparison.
And the Battery, high tide is at 5:04 a.m. Sunday and 5:42
So this
p.m.
one's
Sunday.
kinda more
Low
big.
tide is at 11:21 p.m. Saturday and 11:33 a.m. Sunday.
This one's for the CR1009 Pro.
High tide is at 7:53
Well, this
p.m.
one is
Saturday
for the
and
CR1009.
2:30 p.m. Sunday.
Very
Tide is
cool.
at 2:52 a.m. Sunday and
Okay,
2:54
let's
p.m.
put
Sunday.
this thing back.
At Montauk, high tide is at 5:47 a.m. Sunday and 6:21 p.m. Sunday. Low tide is at 12:19 a.m. Sunday and 12:15 p.m. Sunday. Here are the current conditions. As of 7 p.m. at Central Park, it was mostly sunny. The temperature was 80 degrees, the dew point 46, and the relative humidity 30%.
Okay. Okay,
The
for a
wind was
second.
west at 7 miles an
This
hour.
is not for the CR1009 Pro. It was for the top. It was for the top.
Report from the Bronx
I forgot.
was not
I
available.
forgot this thing was for the top.
Elsewhere in the metropolitan area, skies ranged from mostly
Yeah, this was
sunny
for the
to partly
top.
sunny.
I forgot.
83 at
Totally
LaGuardia
forgot about
Airport,
that. Literally forgot.
74 at Kennedy, 83 at Newark, and 80 at White Plains. Across Long Island, temperatures were between 71 and 75 degrees. At West Hampton, it was sunny. At Farmingdale, it was mostly
Nice.
sunny.
Cool.
At Iceland, it was partly sunny. In New Jersey, it was mostly sunny, and temperatures were
I like
between
it.
78 and
Very
82
cool.
degrees. In southwest Connecticut, it was mostly sunny, and temperatures were between 75 and 79 degrees. Here are the latest
put this
reports from
thing
the
back
coastal
in.
waters.
The
In
manual.
Romulus Reef in New York Harbor, winds were west at 13 knots, gusting to 16 knots.
Okay, now I'm gonna
Temperature was 81
do
degrees.
something real quick.
At New York Harbor and St. Louis, winds were southwest at 14 knots.
Ooh, I think it's kind of
65
big.
degrees.
I'm gonna put this box away.
68 degrees. Wave height 2 feet. Wave period 3 seconds. At 20 nautical miles south of Fire Island Inlet, winds were southwest at 14 knots. Sea temperature 65 degrees. Air temperature 67 degrees. Wave height 1 foot.
I need to get this thing
Wave
back.
period 3 seconds. The report from 23 nautical miles south
Okay, I
of
cannot
Point
get
was
this
not
one.
available. The report from Hudson Canyon was not available. At 15 nautical miles east of Barnegat Light. Sea temperature 65 degrees. Wave height 1 foot. Wave period 8 seconds. On the western sound, Kings Point reported a west wind at 2 knots. The air temperature was 81 degrees. At Bridgeport Harbor, a west wind at 2 knots was reported. The air temperature was 82 degrees. The report from Central
Oh, it
Florida was
does
not
fit.
available.
Oh, wow.
Our coastal weather reports.
It does think this thing does actually.
Temperature was 79 degrees. Wind was southwest at 5 miles an hour. At Morgan's Point in Glen Cove, temperature was 79 degrees. Wind was southwest at 5 miles an hour. At Fire Island Coast Guard, temperature was 66 degrees. Wind was southwest at 10 miles an hour. At Jones Beach, temperature was 68 degrees. Wind was south at 6 miles an
God,
hour.
stop falling, you stupid camera.
Southwest
Dude,
at 2
stop.
miles
It's
an hour.
getting annoying.
The surf zone forecast for the New York City beaches. For Sunday, rip current risk low. Surf heights around 2 feet. Thunderstorm potential none. UV index high. Surf temperature lower 60s. Weather partly sunny. High temperature lower 70s. Winds southwest around 10 miles per hour, becoming south in the afternoon. Tides East Rockaway Inlet low at 10:37 a.m. High at 5:07 p.m. Sunrise 5:26 a.m. Sunset 8:20 p.m. For Monday, rip current risk low. Surf heights around 3 feet. Thunderstorm potential, none. Weather, partly sunny. A slight chance of showers. High temperature, mid-70s.
Okay.
Winds, southwest around 5 miles per hour, becoming southeast in the afternoon. Tides, Rockaway Inlet, low at 11:30 a.m. Sunrise, 5:26 a.m. Sunset, 8:21 p.m. For Tuesday, mostly sunny. Highs in the upper 60s. East winds around 10 miles per hour. For Wednesday, partly sunny. A slight chance of showers. Highs in the upper 60s. Southeast winds
Okay.
around 10 miles per hour.
Okay, guys, this is gonna be the end.
A chance
I
of
love this
showers and
radio.
a slight chance of thunderstorms.
Oh, it says slight chance
Highs
of
around
thunderstorms.
70. South winds around 15 miles per hour. And
Nice.
at current risk categories, low risk implies that
Very
wind and
nice.
wave conditions do not support.
So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and comment. If you will rate this video 1 to 10, I will give it an 8 out of 10. Very cool. And SOS alarm, it's very loud. Like it. So I'll see you in the next unboxing video.